The holidays got. I'm just gonna say that the holidays got me. Actually, man, especially with the holiday. Man, the holidays get me. I love the sugar cookies, especially the cookies in that tin. My God, I think they put crack in that. I'm not gonna lie. I think they do. But yeah, I love my sweets. I'm a sweets
Hey
guy.
guys, feel free to subscribe and follow. And don't forget to share. Don't forget to share, please. All right, guys, enjoy the
So,
show.
feeling sluggish, unmotivated, and ready to hibernate now that winter's here? You're not alone. The winter slump is real. But guess what? You don't have to fall into it. Today, I'm sharing secrets to help you stay fit, energized, and on top of that, reach your goals all season long without feeling like it's a chore. Let's beat the winter blues together. Alrighty? So, hi everyone, I'm Shane. My mission is to help busy women simplify nutrition and fitness so you can crush your goals without stress. Winter can be tough, shorter days, colder weather, and all those cozy comfort foods calling your name. But I'm here to show you that staying active and energized this season doesn't have to be hard. Let's jump into it. Okay, so some key points. Understand the summer. Sorry, I keep saying the summer. Understand the winter slump. First, let's talk about why winter hits us so hard. Shorter daytime daylight hours mess with your energy, and colder weather makes it tempting to skip workouts. Add in holiday treats, and it's easy to lose your rhythm. But you don't have to wait until spring to get back on track. You can thrive right now. Okay, so there's more. It more have to do with the mental side of things, and it doesn't really have to do with anything else. It's more of the mental side when it comes to getting off track, and so on and so forth. All right, here's one thing: adjust your schedule, not your goals. You might not feel like doing a 6 a.m. workout when it's dark, freezing, and that's okay. Adjust your routine to fit your energy levels. Maybe it's a lunchtime walk, or evening stretch session. Keep your goals, but tweak your approach. So maybe instead of going, early in the morning, maybe going at nighttime. The only downside to that, at least as of right now, downside to that is that the chance of there going to be a lot of people in the afternoon instead of the mornings. So it's pretty much, that could definitely be something that you can think about, just changing your time when you actually going to the gym, or maybe even just keeping it light. Maybe not going to the gym at all. Maybe just doing like some type of light cardio or light walk or something like that during your lunchtime. Okay, so secret number 2, all right, create warm, cozy habits. We tend to crave comfort in winter, so lean into it. Okay, but but in a healthy way. Swap cold smoothies for warm oatmeal, or do yoga by the heater. The key is to find ways to move and nourish yourself that feels good, right? So like I say, like for me yesterday I had soup. I mean, I like soup, but my wife mentioned making soup. I said, yeah, let's do it. And it's it really hits differently in the wintertime for sure, or the springtime maybe. But it really hits differently, and compared to the warmer months. So if you can just do things like that to kind of change it. It's like I said, it's all about mindset. It's when it comes to this time of the year, and just kind of like realizing, whatever, if it's like you feel comfy in your bed, those kind of things, yeah, fine, stay in bed, or maybe just go to the gym a little bit later. If you can afford to go to the gym a little bit later, go to the gym a little bit later. Some people can't. I mean, some people, of course, are 9 to 5 and they can't do that. But there's things that you can definitely do. What you could do is the next thing, okay? Buddy up or find accountability. Finding a friend to text or accountability partner can make a huge difference. Better yet, join a community like this one. Let's cheer each other on during this winter time. So it's very, very important that you kind of really like self-assess. Why you're not going to the gym? Why you're not working out? Why you're not staying active? Why are you giving into too much temptation? Kind of sit back and realize what the issue is and make adjustments. Talk to somebody, talk to your trainer, talk to somebody that can kind of guide you, along the way. So I mean, it's a lot of things that, a lot of excuses we may have. The cold weather, the darker nights, shorter daylight. But it's definitely possible. Okay, so what's your biggest struggle in the winter? Comment below. Okay, is it staying motivated, finding time, or fighting the urge to curl up and on the couch? Comment below. Let me know what you guys, how you guys feel about the winter time when it comes to the winter. You guys completely stop, say, what the hell with it, or you wait till January or something like that. Or you wait for the new year. Excuse me, new year, new me. All right, so comment below. Let me know. All right, so to recap, Beat the Summer Slump is all about small, intentional changes. Adjust your schedule, create warm and cozy habits, lean on support when you need it. You got this. Okay, it's just if you need to put together a plan, of course I'm here to help. Okay, let's try to make this the best winter yet. And it's like I said, it's a matter of just like really realizing what the issue is. But some people might just say, I just want to enjoy with my family, enjoy this time I have, and not really worry about losing weight or calories or whatever, and that's fine too. But for those people that are trying to still be somewhat consistent, it's made just certain to make those small changes. It doesn't have to be anything drastic, because I personally, I want to enjoy my family, I want to enjoy my friends, so I have to make the little small changes. So these are the kind of things. This is about planning. Really, it's about planning and making those little small adjustments. Alrighty. So thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, be sure to watch the replay and share it with someone who might need to hear this message. Remember, prioritizing yourself is a choice you'll never regret. See you next time. Are you ready to transform your health and wellness journey? At Kadapa Strength, I'm committed to helping you achieve your goals through my 3 pillars for results. First, I educate, equipping you with essential knowledge to understand your body and its needs. Then I execute a tailored plan, ensuring every step is personalized to your unique lifestyle. Finally, I encourage, providing accountability and support every step of the way. Get ready to unlock your full potential and thrive in every aspect of your life. Visit me today and let's embark on this journey together. Check me out at kandapastrength.com.